This is part 2 of the face swap tutorial. In this part we will learn how to get rid of the main blemishes using the Clone and Heal tool. First we will cover up the fingers on the top of the head of the dad. Select the Clone tool. Make sure that the layer named Dad Face is selected. Hold down the Control button and click on part of the head of the dad. And carefully start to paint over the fingers. Remember that you can press Ctrl Z to undo if you make a mistake. Or you can use the eraser to make touch-ups. The Clone tool has done most of the work here, but there are still a lot of irregularities in the picture, so let's clean it up using the Healing tool. The Healing tool is like the Clone tool, but it does not leave hard edges. Select the Healing tool, press Ctrl and click on the area where you would like to use the image, and then use the tool to clear up the hard edges. Before we continue, we need to back up the original image. Right-click on the layer for faceswap.jpg, select Duplicate, and rename the new layer to Backup. And move it to the bottom. We can still see some of the baby's hair behind the dad's face. Use a combination of the Clone and Heal tools to color over the hair with the background image. You can change the size of the Clone and the Heal tools. In this worksheet, we have learned to use the Clone and the Heal tool to cover up an area with another image. This technique is often used to remove pimples and other blemishes from photographs. Sometimes it is even used to remove people from photographs. In the next video, we are going to move the baby's face too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.